Welcome to Villa Firenze's booking guide. Let's walk you through the quick and easy process of booking your stay. Start by clicking the Book Now tab on our homepage. On the Search Availability page, select your check-in date. Remember, colored and textured blocks indicate already booked dates. Then, choose your checkout date. Click Check Availability for the selected dates. This is the booking enquiry page. Let's fill out the form step by step. First, choose your accommodation type by clicking Luxury Villa, Costa Rica. Explore the gallery to see how the villa looks, and then check out all the amenities available. On the left side, fill in your name and the number of guests in the booking details section. Next, go to your information section below and complete your personal details. You can see the price breakdown for your stay on the right side. Below the price breakdown, you'll find the discount section. Use these codes for discounts. VF2WEEKS for a 10% discount when booking for 2 weeks or more. VF1MONTH for a 15% discount when booking for 4 weeks or more. VFSEPT15 for a 15% discount. Enter the coupon code, click Apply, and proceed to book now. Once you submit your booking inquiry, our villa manager will receive it promptly. The manager will then send you an email requesting your personal information to complete the process. After receiving your personal details, the manager will send you the rental agreement for signature and confirmation, along with the necessary information to make your booking payment.
As soon as the payment of the deposit is received, your booking will be officially confirmed.
For any further assistance or inquiries, don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to make your experience seamless and enjoyable. Thank you for choosing Villa Firenze.